shrimp. Now, I just cooked last night. Tonight, I don't really feel like cooking. So, I thought I'd show you guys what I do when I don't feel like cooking, but need to cook. Quick and easy. If you're wondering why shrimp, it takes no time to thaw out. I don't have to prep anything. And 2 seconds to cook. And it's good. Rice. Why rice? It also takes 2 seconds to cook. Literally just press a button. See? That took 10 minutes. 10 minutes. I'm just gonna season it. It's fine. Follow me to the stove.
Hello?
And just like that, you're done. I'm gonna put this over some rice and that's it.